Hey, I'd like to introduce you to my new friend, Rosemary. Quite honestly, we haven't really been friends in the past before. So let's take a poll from 1 to 10, 10 being the most. How much do you love Rosemary? Quite honestly, I've been at about a 2, and I haven't been a baker before, but for some reason I felt compelled to renew my relationship with rosemary and roasted garlic and baking. I haven't really been a baker either, and so maybe along the way I can inspire you to create this beautiful artisan crusty rosemary roasted garlic bread along the way, using flour, salt, Parmesan cheese, roasted garlic, and this active dry yeast. So what you want to do first is get your yeast activating in some warm water, and once it's activated, you have your flour and your salt in a mixture, and then you make a little cavern there and pour in the active yeast part and just barely mix that up. It just looks kind of crumbly, and form it into a little ball and cover it up. And once it's almost doubled in size, there I put it onto a floured mat, and I've got my garlic peeled. It's kind of in an oval shape, and I'm going to kind of push in my garlic and my cheese and roll it up into kind of a log, the long way, and then the short way. Just plop it into a Dutch oven, and you want a Dutch oven because this has a lid, and so once you're ready, get that going, and it's going to pop in the oven for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, take the cover off and toast it up till it's this beautiful, golden, crusty, artisan looking loaf of bread. Oh my gosh, this is my first one. I'm so proud of myself. So add that sprig of rosemary, and this healing property of rosemary is that if you sniff it, if you're ever somewhere where you have a sprig of rosemary, just sniff it real nice and hard, and it's activating a part of your brain that's actually the teachable part of your brain. And this rosemary was teaching me that, hey, I don't need to have that mantra anymore that I'm not a baker, that I burn everything. What would you like to learn if you activate that part of your brain? What is the new thing that you could learn or teach yourself or have fun with? Or maybe you have a mantra you've always told people that there's things that you won't do, can't do. Is there something different that you could try? Look at those big roasted bulbs of garlic, and as I served this up, I even heard a compliment to me that said, oh my gosh, this is restaurant quality. So anyway, what are you teachable in? Have a good day with your rosemary. Have fun.